See you tomorrow.
Welcome on another one. So I'm headed to Lushoto, Tanga, one of the most beautiful places in Tanzania. And now I'm in the middle of God knows where. I have literally no idea. This is a place that I've wanted to go for so long, and ultimately I've got the time.
To wash my
so here we are.
hands in the street, wondering if I've ever been anyone except for me. Cleanse myself in the river that runs red in the winter. It's colder than everything I felt in the years since 23.
I don't know what this place is called, and I've made a quick stop for a quick breakfast, so here we are.
Take what's right and balance the bittersweet, but the time is calm and the floods are here, where the trees don't speak. We are left here to devise. Till then, must the river run red?
I had to take a break. So fucking tired, man. I'm like 95 kilometers away from my first drop point, and I couldn't take it anymore. So I said, 90 kilometers. So I said I have to take a rest. And here I am again in the middle of, you can see, nowhere as usual again. So I'll just take a 15-20 minutes break, then we'll know what will happen from there. Okay, now let's proceed from where we ended.
River runs wide, will it give us more life? Will it take what's right and balance the bittersweet? But the time is calm and the floods are here, where the trees don't speak when the winter's near, and the animals all know the signs. We are left here to devise. Rain again, rain again, rain again over me. The river runs wide.
Blaza, inakuaje? Safi. Napata chaja hapa ya kawaida. Ni bei gani? Simu kubwa. Simu kubwa. Simu kubwa hapa tunaanza shilingi 7,000, 8,000, 10,000, 12,000.
Head southwest.
river runs wide. Will it give us more life? Will it take what's right and balance the bittersweet? But the time is calm and the floods are here, but the trees don't speak when the winter's
This has been very hard. Wow, this has been extremely hard. This is one of the most harshest mountain I've ever climbed with a bike. Wow, this is crazy, bro. Let's go. I'm like 7 or 6.5 kilometers away from my destination, which again is in the middle of nowhere, as you can see. So we are climbing this hill, heading 7 kilometers above, and we'll meet the Magoroto viewpoint. So currently I saw this spectacular view and I said, who am I not to share with you? So spectacular view of Tanga Muheza. Unakuaje chief? Fresh kabisa, karibu. Asante, nashukuru. Brother, habari? Kwema. It was just a very beautiful ride and I've really enjoyed the road, although I'm very tired. My knees, my shoulders, my back, everything is just hurting right now, but I mean, it's worth it. It's worth the calmness, it's worth the adventure, it's worth every beautiful ride, everything that went down on that ride. It's worth it. So here is Magoroto. Going further would be crazy. It's basically a suicide mission. I'm sure there is every kind of snakes in here. I won't risk it and go into this path. This is crazy. I won't risk it. I won't do it. Although I'm tempted to do this, I won't try to go into such kind of forest.
Well, it has been a beautiful day. So let me just go to sleep and hopefully the cold won't kill me out here. See you tomorrow.
Good morning from Magoroto, Muheza. It's a beautiful morning. We've had a beautiful night, though it was very cold. Now today, I'll be doing a 58 kilometers ride to Tanga town. Tanga is the main region, while Muheza is just a district within Tanga. So we'll do a 58 kilometers ride to Tanga, where we'll go to see the beautiful Amboni Caves. You'll see the beautiful Amboni Caves in the next video, not this one, so stay tuned. See you then.
Rain again, oh, rain again, oh, rain again over me. When the river runs wide, when the river runs dry. Till then, must the river run?